One more thing about the word 你, you in Chinese is there's another form for 你, which is 您. 您 is N-I-N, second tone. 您 in Chinese is the respect form to refer someone you like, you respect, or someone very important. In daily life, it's used a lot in very serious occasions, like when you meet someone the first time, it's usually better to say 您好 rather than say 你好. And also, during office time, when you talk to your clients or someone you are cooperating with, it's always better to use 您 to refer 你 to show your politeness and respect. And in daily life, you also can use 您 to someone who you have never met, or you met the first time, or you're not close to. For example, if I got a contact introduced by my friend, then when I contact this new person the first time, usually I would always use 您 to refer the other side. And since it's a form to present respect, so usually 您 can be only used for individuals. So usually 您 we cannot use a plural form. So in that case, there's no 您们 in Chinese. If you want to say hello everyone, you can say 你们好, but you cannot say 您们好. Alright, that's for today. Thank you. When I